Operation teaching video of gimbal drone. Open the package. Take out the remote control and the drone. Product list. Tips. 1. Make sure that the operator is 3 meters away from the drone, and keep away from the crowd and finance when flying. 2. Please follow the instructions. Pay attention to flight safety, and understand the accident liability caused by your negligence. 3. Before taking off, be sure to perform geomagnetic calibration according to the instructions. Otherwise, the drone may be lost in flight. 4. Before flying, be sure to comply with local laws and regulations on flying and other requirements. It is strictly prohibited to fly in areas where flying is prohibited by laws and regulations. Installation of the obstacle avoider. Take out the cover sheet. Install the avoider, firmly pinch the incisions on both sides of the avoider, and insert it into the base. Take out the avoider, firmly pinch the incisions, and pull out the avoider. Notice. 1. Install the avoider and cover carefully to avoid damage to the buckle. 2. When taking out the avoider, do not pull the upper part of the avoider. 3. The avoider must be installed or removed when the drone is turned off. Otherwise the avoider may be damaged. This obstacle avoidance device uses laser scanning to avoid obstacles, which can realize 360 degrees scanning obstacle avoidance in 4 directions. Operate the right joystick of the remote control. The avoider will point synchronously with the drone. When an obstacle is detected, the remote control will send out constant bye-bye. It is strictly forbidden to manually rotate the upper part of the avoider. Otherwise the inner lines will be pulled down. During use, it is forbidden to touch the avoider. When an obstacle avoider is installed, long press the obstacle avoidance switch to enable or disable the obstacle avoidance function. The obstacle avoider is turned on by default after power on. When the drone executes the return home command, the obstacle avoidance function is automatically turned off. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone. Remove the gimbal cover. Be sure to remove the gimbal cover before turning on the drone. The controller is equipped with a repeater, which can realize longer distance flight and longer distance image transmission. Both flight control and Wi-Fi transmission need to be connected to the drone through the repeater. Depress the power button for 4 seconds to start the drone. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. The drone red indicators flash. Turn on the controller switch. After about 40 seconds, the remote control emits 3 beeps. The red lights on the drone turn off. Front and back white and blue lights will flash. The pairing between controller and drone is successful automatically. The screen of the controller displays GPS on and mode 1. It shows that the satellite search is not completed. Compass calibration. Short press the compass calibration key. The lights of the drone flash rapidly. Keep the drone level and pick it up about 1 million's height. Rotate 3 circles. There is a die sound and front lights on drone will turn to solid. From the bottom, hold the drone about 1 million's height and rotate it 3 circles. There is a die sound, the red lights turn off. Front and back lights turn to flash. Compass calibration is OK. Tips. 1. When calibrating the compass, hold the drone horizontally and vertically to avoid shaking the drone. 2. During and after the compass calibration process, do not allow the drone to close to iron objects. Otherwise it will cause geomagnetic chaos and may lose the drone. GPS satellite search. After compass calibration, put the drone down to level surface. Front and back white and blue lights start flashing. The drone is finalizing its GPS satellite search. Once the controller makes a long die sound and all lights have switched to solid, the GPS satellite search is completed. LCD screen displays GPS on and mode 2. Gyro calibration. Push the 2 joysticks to the lower right corner at the same time. There are sounds of die and the lights on the drone quickly flash. The gyro calibration is successful. Drone must be placed on a level surface and remain stationary while calibrating.